Automating Premium Reconciliation for Fortegra, a case study. Fortegra is a leading insurance provider, managing thousands of active policies across multiple banking partners nationwide. They needed their premium reconciliation process to be faster, more accurate, and compliant, without scaling their finance team. But a few critical bottlenecks were holding them back. Manual downloading and processing of bank statements delayed reconciliation and increased the risk of missing critical data. Extraction of policy details from unstructured data slowed processing and led to frequent matching errors. Manual premium updates across systems caused inconsistencies and impacted customer experience. To overcome these challenges, Fortegra partnered with Kanerika to implement an intelligent automation framework using UiPath and Python. The key solutions include automated email monitoring and data capture, reducing delays and ensuring complete bank statement availability. Implemented Python-based extraction and validation, improving accuracy of policy and transaction data. Automated reconciliation and system updates, enabling faster processing and real-time visibility. The impact was immediate and measurable. 85% reduction in reconciliation time, 99% accuracy in data extraction, 100% elimination of manual web updates. Are manual processes slowing down your operations? Let's talk!